Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a simple but very useful trick on how to mute hashtags on Twitter from notifications and people you don't follow, all from your PC. Let's dive right in. First things first. Open Twitter on your PC and navigate to the side menu. Click on More and then select Settings and Privacy. Next, head over to the Privacy and Safety tab and click on Mute and Block. Now, click on Muted Words and hit the plus icon to add a new muted word. Enter the hashtag you want to mute, and ensure to select Notifications. In the options that appear, choose From People You Don't Follow. Now, under Mute Timing, you have the flexibility to choose between muting the hashtag forever, for the next 24 hours, 7 days, or even 30 days. Pick the duration that suits your preference. Lastly, don't forget to click on Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully muted a hashtag from your Twitter notifications and from people you don't follow on your PC. Enjoy a more customized and precise Twitter experience without any unwanted content cluttering your feed. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.